Hey guys, welcome to another Candy's Natural Hair Dynamics video. Yes, today's video is quite spontaneous. I had no intentions of coming on with a video because I had no intentions of doing this. So I just installed, oh wow, it's not secured. I just installed this wig. It's a headband wig, and my hair is not in any condition to go on the road, and I need to go on the road, so I had to draw. I never ever dreamt that I would be that girl who would end up drawing for a wig. I barely wear a wig. I've only had this as my very first and only wig, and I kind of don't mind it because of the whole headband vibe, but at the same time I hardly wear it. But today I have to, so I just, put it on and stuff. But I realized that I'm not really feeling the length of it. I'm not in the mood for, all of this hair right now. So, I had the grand idea that I would just go ahead and, I would just go ahead and cut it, hopefully in a bob. And I decided to just pull out the camera and see what happens, what's the outcome. So guys, yeah, we're gonna cut this hair. All right, so disclaimer, I'm not a professional styler or stylist in that sense, meaning not a professional hairstylist who is trained in cutting. So please don't come for me. All right, so I'm gonna just start by, I want a bob, somewhat of an angular bob, so I'm gonna just start by cutting off some of this front section. I'm not gonna go too short because in case I need to make corrections, I want to have enough length to make that correction. So let's cut. Well, the challenge is to make sure that the other side, is the same length. So make sure my neck is straight while I'm cutting. And if you guys notice that this side is longer, that is kind of what I'm going for. Obviously, I have to make it a little bit shorter, but I want the right side, which is my dominant side. This is the side that I typically flip my hair into. So I want for this side to be slightly longer because I like that look. Yeah. So let me just take off a little bit more. I need a sharper scissors, but I have to work with this one because that's what I have, guys. I'm just trying a thing, like seriously, just trying a thing. Alright, let's try to cut the back. I'm gonna just separate the back into two and try to just make this side a little bit shorter than the length over this side. Same thing on this side. What I'm kind of doing is trying to feather the end so that it doesn't look too blunt and it gets more of a layered look. That's pretty much what I'm trying to achieve. Guys, I played with it and played with it, and this is the end result. So let me get myself together and show you how it looks. Hey guys, so this is how it turned out. I mean, guys, I don't think it's bad for somebody who is not a pro at cutting. And yeah, this is way more comfortable. This is way more wearable. I can, pull this on easily without have to worrying about, the condition of the hair, if it's too long or if it's tangled. So yeah, I think I like this option. But for today, I'm gonna be wearing this headband because this headband wig actually came with two headbands, separate and apart from this built-in one. So this is one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. I don't know. I think I prefer the black. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think the black one was better? I'm kind of undecided, but I'm kind of leaning towards the black one. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, guys, this is all I wanted to stop and show you guys. As I said before, it's a spontaneous video, but thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already done so. Remember to like the video and comment and share, and I will talk to you on my next one. Alright, stay safe and stay blessed.